So over here you can see that I got a bunch of tasks linked out together in a sequential order. So over here you can see the brainstorming concept is linked with storyline writing on to the end right here. Then after that comes script writing and storyboarding right here. But let's say what I want the brainstorming and storyline writing to go simultaneously because they happen simultaneously. Then what you can do is you can go around and link out the brainstorming concept and storyline writing both to the script writing process as well. So to do that, over here you can see that script writing is linked with 5, as you can see right here. That is the storyline writing. So instead of going around over here and let it be after let's say the brainstorming concept, I can go around onto the script writing and select the brainstorming concept section as well, just like this, and make 2 selections, and you can see that it is now both related with 5 and 4 right here. So you can see that I have the brainstorming concept, and after that there's the storyline which is connected both to the script writing right here. But I don't want the storyline writing to be connected out to the script writing directly. So I'm just going to go around right here and uncheck it right here, or you can erase it out as well. And now you can see that this is how it works. So there's the brainstorming concept right here, and there's the storyline writing. Let me just go around and increase out the days, and you can see that now both of them happen simultaneously now and is linked around with script writing. And that is what you can do, as you can see, just like this. You can go around over here and let's say there's the storyboarding part right here. And let's say I want the storyboarding to be connected out over here onto brainstorming again. So you can go around and link that out right here, and you can see that brainstorming directly can go towards storyboarding as well. Well, let me just go around and disable out the brainstorming right here because that is not how it works. Well, let me just go around and do this. So there's the brainstorming concept right here. So you can go around and then select out, let's say, storyboarding right here. But it says the task cannot be linked because they are already linked with another task chain right here. So that happens when it is already linked out. Well, let me just go around and not choose anything right here, or I can go around and press the delete key as well. So all of the tasks are here. So now what you can also do is you can go around over here, and instead of selecting the selecting anything else before as the preceding task, you can also go around and select storyboarding, and you can see that now there is this kind of a connection right here where the storyboarding begins first and then it comes to the brainstorming, as you can see right here. And that is how you can go ahead as well. Well, let me just go around over here and change the sequential order. So what I'm going to do is just delete this out right here. So let's say with the script writing, I want it to be connected out with brainstorming and storyline writing right here. So you can see that this is what you have right here. And let's say I want it to happen on the same day. So you can see that this is the brainstorming concept and the storyline writing. Let me just go around over here and then copy the cell out right here, and I'm going to go around and paste the cell so that they happen on the same time, and it is connected out over here onto the script writing right here. And after the script writing, I want the storyboarding process, so I'm just going to go around, link it out with script writing, as you can see right here. And that is how it works. And you can also go around over here and then, let's say, for example, bring down the storyline writing, let's say, below. And you can see that now brainstorming and storyline writing, both of them are a task right here, and they are being connected over here onto the script writing, which is being connected onto the storyboarding right here, just like this as well. And that is how you can go around and then connect out more than one task together while you're listing out tasks as well inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.